One.
A warm welcome to all. We will discuss about color phosphorus using craft meter in the laboratory course textile science. Okay, craft meter is used for finding out the color phosphorus of the material. Color phosphorus is very important. Based on the color only, we will be able to select the material according to our purpose. Okay. The purpose of color phosphorus is we will be able to find the life of the material. Then for craft meter, you will be applying a specific pressure on the material. Then how long it will pass the color. The color bleeds and it goes to the white material. Then from that we will be able to find out the life of the material. Then how much we will be able to wash the material, how many times we will be able to wash and dry the material, and dyeing purpose, what are all the temperatures to be used. Like that, we will be able to gain many knowledge from the color phosphorus.
And what color phosphorus is important in textile industry?
Textile industry also will be based on the pen. See, we are getting specific orders. Based on the colors only, the orders will be applied. Whether it is for children's garment, whether it is for uniform, whether it is for industrial, whether it is for government uniforms, military uniforms, like that, many types of clothing varieties are there. For all these varieties, we have to choose the colors. Like blue, red, like that, we have to choose the colors. For infants or working people or casual wear, like that, we have to select the colors. So the color is very important for selecting the material in the industries. In garment industries, the orders will be provided from the customers based on the color only. They will prefer according to their taste. So we will be able to select the material according to their taste. Then dry crafting, you will be applying pressure to the dry material. You have to take any colored material, then placing on that craft meter, you will be applying a specific pressure on that. Then after taking out, you have to compare the color with the grayscale. In the grayscale, the ratings are given based on the shade, like gray, white, black, like that numbers are given 1, 2, 3, 4. Based on that number only, we will be able to find out how long it will last, how the color phosphorus we have identified. Then in wet craft, we have to use the wet sample. The sample will cut according to the parallel tensile wedge, and it will be dipped in the material water, and then again the same type of pressure is applied. Then we will be able to find out how much the color bleeds on the white material. Then while comparing with the grayscale, we will be able to find out the quality of the color phosphorus. The color phosphorus is rated based on the grayscale. Okay, after finishing, you have to take the sample, then you have to place it on the craft meter, then applying specific pressure on that. After rubbing that specific counts, you have to take down the material, then it will be compared with the grayscale, like the 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then based on that numbers only, we will be able to find out the quality of the material. Then for wet crafting also, we are doing the same thing. Then we are finding out the color phosphorus of the material. Why we are doing this means to finding out the quality of the dye stuff. Whether we have to improve the shades by using the quality of dye stuffs, chemicals, like that. If we are having a defect in that, we have to select another type of dye stuff with different percentages. Then again we have to do it again. Then after getting the specific shade, color, then only we will be getting the desired finish of the product.